Hello everyone, this is Dr. Huma Ibrar. I wish you all a good day. So today the topic of discussion will be about recent DHA MCQs 2023. So before starting the topic, those who are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon, as this channel is all about Prometric exam guidance and Prometric exam material. So let's start the topic. One of my client has recently cleared DHA exam and has shared some important topics from exam. There were MCQs from nerve injuries, also discussed in pocketbook, page number 46 to 47. You can check it out. Pocketbook part 1, page number 46 to 47. Those who are interested to buy a pocketbook can mail me. My mail address will be given in description box also. There were MCQs from dermatomes that are also discussed in pocketbook, page number 16, part 1. MCQs about cardiac rehabilitation tests. Let me tell you that there are three main types of stress tests: exercise stress tests, and nuclear stress tests, and stress echocardiograms. There were MCQs about paraffin wax temperature, that what is the temperature of paraffin wax. It's also present in pocketbook part 1, page number 31. You can check it out. Pocketbook part 1, page number 31. Then there were MCQs about ACL tests, pocketbook part 2, page number 72. ACL tests are also discussed in pocketbook part 2, page number 72. There were MCQs about MCL tests and injuries, types of MCL injuries, grade 1 MCL injury, grade 2 MCL grade 1 MCL injury or tear, grade 2 MCL tear, grade 3 MCL tear. In grade 1 MCL tear, there mildest injury, in grade 2 moderate injury, and in grade 3 there is severe injury, and surgery is often recommended. In grade 1, there are minimally torn fibers, and treatment doesn't require surgery. And in grade 2 MCL tear, there is a partial tear of the ligament, and knee joint may become moderately weak or unstable if left untreated. And grade 3 MCL tear 3 is characterized by a complete tearing and gross laxity of medial collateral ligament. Surgery is often recommended. There are some tests for evaluation of the knee: McMurray's test, Leishman test, pivot shift test, reverse pivot shift test, posterior draw test, dial test, valgus stress test, and valgus varus stress test. You can check them all in YouTube. So these were the topics from recent DHA exam 2023.